Hello friends and family and subscribers. Not a gold prospecting video today, something different. Look at this. Debbie and I have decided to do something different because we never do anything together, do we, Deb?
No.
Eh?
No, never.
She said, oh, all you think about is gold. All you think about is gold. We've got our hands on this old ambulance. It doesn't belong to me, it belongs to my father. He brought it, he's never used it, and he said, Dave, bloody use it, because get some money's worth out of it, you know. It's got an annex on it, it's got beds in there, it's got bloody cooking gear, it's got a sink, it's got everything. Hello, Debs.
Hi.
Hi. So, you want to tell everyone that we do a lot together?
No, we don't do anything.
Darling, we're doing something together now.
We are now, yes.
Look, we've even got bloody Gracie, the rescue dog. She can't be trusted, she'll probably run away, she's never left the house before. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to go around Tassie. And I'll do some videos of well, anything. People we meet or bloody places we go. We only just left home. We're in the city called Burnie. Friends and family will be familiar with it. I'll give you a quick look. Bloody ugly city. I don't like it. This is the closest city to where we live in Tewkesbury. Look, very industrial. Gives you an idea. The main thing that they do around here is these wood chips. You'll see a big pile in the distance. They grow trees and they wood chip them up and they bring them down here and they send them on ships to I don't bloody know where, China probably, and they make paper or whatever they make out of wood chips. So there you go, guys, that's Burnie. I'll turn the camera back on. There's the ambulance. It's so cool, it's so nice to drive. I'll turn the camera back on when I see something interesting. Alright, first stop since Burnie, Waratah. Wasn't planning on coming here, but what happened is Debbie forgot to grab her phone charger that plugs into the cigarette lighter. So, welcome to Waratah. Diversity in abundance. Who forgot to grab the phone charger?
Guilty.
Guilty. So what we're going to do is go see Brad Self. He lives in Waratah. So we'll go and see if we can borrow one off him, and we'll have a quick look around Waratah, show you any scenery. Who have we got here?
I'm Dave.
Hey, it's Tassie Adventures and his family. Cat and all.
Cat and all.
Hey, I watched one of your videos the other day with Steve-O catching a bloody big bluefin tuna.
Yeah.
Is that what they do on Wicked Tuna?
Well, that's what we do. They're not what they do. We lose them all.
Do they get yellow fin or bluefin?
Yellow. They get bluefin.
They're worth a fortune.
Yeah.
Should sell it to the Japs. Japanese.
No export around here at the moment.
So,
COVID-19.
What have you supplied us with, mate?
Just a phone charger. Some people leave things behind, you know, so...
I'm going to get a little bit of footage of that water wheel.
Not you, Deb. You don't leave things behind.
No. That water wheel, I'm going to go to that stamper thing in town.
In the stamper mill?
Yeah. And maybe a little bit of Mount Bishop. Is there anything else to see?
No, not around here. Absolutely not. You got the stamper mill. You can turn that on and make a heck of a noise.
Ooh, let's do that.
The whole town will hear.
It's the water.
They have a... Well, we only have a few good fishing dams, but nothing really much to see in mining anymore.
All right.
You have to head up to the rock pile mine and go over the rock pile and have a look and see if you can find any...
It doesn't have to be to do anything to do with mining. We just want to have a quick look around.
There's nothing else much around here.
All right. I'll see you later, mate.
Yep. Have a good trip.
Oh, look at that, mate. That's so cool. So, the water's coming from over that dam I just showed you. That lake or whatever it is. Comes in here. Oh, that's cool. I want one. When we build our shack out in the middle of somewhere, Dale, we'll run our electricity or something like that. So simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
But so much power from a generator from something like that. You look like a tourist.
Oh, I am.
Hey, what are you doing?
I just took a video.
Did you? Yeah. I don't know how to zoom this thing.
Bouncing all around.
Takes it away. Press that top button on the right. Alright, we are way in the middle of the bush, aren't we, Dale?
Yep.
We are about 50 kilometres from the nearest house. Bush. Debbie used to come here years and years and years ago, didn't you, Dale?
I did.
But it's changed. It's changed since you've been here. I'll show you the last leg of the journey, guys. We're near Parawee. This is Blackwell Road. We're about to cross over the Arthur River.
I hate this bridge.
We're about to cross over the Arthur River, so let's have a look at the Arthur River. Widen down your window, honey.
Well, can you hang on to the steering wheel?
Yeah, oh, could I? How about showing them the Arthur River, hon? If you hold on to it for a sec. Now, when Debbie used to come down here, how many years ago was that, Dale? 20 years ago?
No, probably 30. Oh, yeah, probably
There was
25
no
years
shack.
ago.
The shack had burnt down, and they've rebuilt it. So this is the first time Debbie's seen the, well, they call it the gold miner's hut. They call it the chalet. Debbie calls it Lance's hut. Does it look a bit different, Dale?
Yeah.
No, that chimney was about the only thing that would have been here last
Yeah,
time,
it was.
mate.
Yep.
Let's go have a look, see, shall we? Come on, Smubby. Beautiful spot. The gold there in that there river. This trip's not a gold prospecting trip though. Oh, it is called the Chalet. Huh? Yeah, they've got a sign. Look, they've got a sign here, the Chalet.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, open her up.
Oh, look at it.
Hey?
Oh, this is excellent.
This is the first spot we're going to camp on our big journey.
Oh, I'm sleeping in here tonight.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, they've got a big fireplace.
Yeah.
Biggest bloody. Oh, look at all the bottles. Little beds. You got to supply your own bedding. Oh, look, the sink's still here. Is that the?
Yeah.
Is that the? Did you put that sink in?
Yep.
Debbie put this sink in years ago.
Far out.
They built the shack around the sink because that's about all that was here. Hey. Wow, I'd say a few people have had a few drinks down here. What do you reckon, Dale?
Yeah.
Where's all our alcohol?
And we don't drink.
Hey? No, we don't. Oh, we've got a bench. We've got chairs. Oh, look, there's firewood, hun.
Excellent.
Like dry firewood.
Be good if somebody remembered to bring firelighters.
Who didn't bring firelighters?
Me. Oh, hang on.
Oh, look, there's a firelighter there.
Hey, firelighter.
Wicked.
Excellent.
Look at the size of the fireplace, hun.
Look at the couch.
Huh?
We've got a couch.
Now, I think there's lights. Check those light switches. Yep. Up there. LEDs. We have light. This is awesome. Let's live here.
I love it.
Come here. I mean, stick with me, baby. I'll take you all the nice spots.
Yeah. I love it.
Alright, let's get organised. Bloody beautiful spot, isn't it, Dale? Nice end to the day. Got the campfire going. The shack fire. Beautiful. You have a good day, honey?
I have.
Hey?
I have.
You have? I can't see you. Where are you? We'll have a quick look at the river. She's flowing. Oh, yeah, it's bloody good. Good to get away. Good life. Gotta love Tassie. Gotta love Tassie. I'll come back one day with the pans and the suction pump and that, and I'll check it out for gold here. Evidently there's good gold here. Mining in the mist. We'll be mining in the mist. Yeah, it's fantastic. The people that built this, they're very unselfish of them. They stock up the firewood, and anyone can stay here. You just can't leave rubbish behind, and we'll make a point of taking every bloody bit of rubbish that we brought with us. Alright, we're at Lake McIntosh, and we're going to go to Tullah Dam. I think that's how you say it. I'll give you a quick look at Lake McIntosh as I drive across over this bridge. Queenstown. Can you just hang it out your side and show that? The power station? That's how they make hydroelectricity. Don't hang it over the actual fence. Little Gracie's getting used to van life, ain't you, Gracie? She went out of the car this morning and everything. It was a big deal for her. Just on the Lake Plimsol Road. We just missed a really good view, but look through there. There's no road through there, guys. People say, oh, there's no Tasmanian tigers left. How would anyone know? Who goes in there?
Looks like the water down there, but it's mist.
See the mist down there? Hello, Debs.
Hi.
Having fun?
Yep.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gotta love Tassie.
Gotta love Tassie.
God love Tassie. This is the Iron Blow lookout. Mount Lyell's also known as the Iron Blow. You can see the mining that's happened here over the time. Don't know how much of an idea you can get, but everything's on a large scale here. The mountains are huge. Absolutely stunning. Isn't it, Dale?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's it for me.
Well, look at that. The sun's just going down. And we found our next camp spot. What do you reckon, honey?
Yeah, it's nice.
Never been here before. We're just driving past and we thought, oh, we better find somewhere soon. This is called Bronte Lagoon. I've never been here personally. It's got a boat ramp and everything. Look at this, eh? Bloody beautiful. Deb, what have you found up there, Debs?
Toilets.
Deb's got a toilet, eh?
It'll be open.
That's all right, isn't it? Let's go have a look at Bronte Lagoon. Bloody beautiful. It's real still. There's no wind whatsoever here. Are they open? No. Oh, the toilet's closed. It's all good. Alright, set up camp. On the road again. Bloody cold this morning. Oh, so cold. Everything's frozen. I just wanted to show anyone that's interested. These big hydro pipes. They're all over Tasmania. That's how they get electricity in Tasmania, from dams, and they run these pipes and gravity feed the water down, and then over the road here there's a big they turn it into electricity. They have big turbines in there and generate electricity. Don't know if that's interesting or not. I find it interesting. Awesome, isn't it? Hey, how you going, guys? Hey, what is it? Day 3? Day 3, yeah. Of our big adventure around Tassie. What we're doing is we're heading, we were heading towards a place called Strathgordon, Lake Pedder. I just saw it on the map and I thought, never been there, I'll go there. And we did a bit of research and we found out on the way, or not on the way, a bit of a detour, that there's the biggest flowering tree in the world. So we're here in the Styx Forest. Bloody beautiful spot. I'll give you a bit of a look around. Big trees everywhere. I don't know what you can see, but the what we read on the internet is it's a eucalypt. There's some big bloody trees around though. So we're going to go for a walk, and I don't know how far it is. Take the dogs for a walk. Hello, vicious guard dogs. Deb's just trying to get the other little one out. She's getting good though, isn't she? Yeah. See, in reality, she's never really left the house. So this is a big deal for her. She's scared of everything, you know. Poor little thing had a hard life until we got her. So what do you reckon, honey? Are you excited to see the big tree?
Oh, yeah.
Hey?
Yep.
Hey? You're dressed for the occasion?
Yep. I would have put my thermals on.
Hey? Oh, well, we'll turn the camera off for that. All right, we'll show you the big tree when we get to it. Oh, there's an even big one up here, babe. Whoa, look at this one. My God, look at this one, Dale. I can't even see, you can't even see the top of it.
Look at the size. I don't like how you compare me with the tree. You put me up to against the tree.
Yeah, you make them look small, Dale. You can't even see the top of it. It just keeps on going and going and going. There's another one there. Oh yeah, they're monsters around here. Absolutely ginormous.
Yeah, can you get a photo of me?
Go and sit on that one, hon. That's a classic, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was it, man food, eh?
I think so.
Nah, you gotta sit on it.
It's wet.
That's a classic. I've never seen one like that. Is a Huon pine, guys. It was 2,200 years old at the time of salvage. The girth is 8 metres, which is 26 feet. Huon pine only occurs in Tasmania. Look at this. They've timelined it. Birth of Jesus. AD 68, death of Nero, Emperor of Rome. Romans leave Britain, 411. Birth of Muhammad at Mecca, 569. Danes invade England, 797. Battle of Hastings, 1066. Magna Carta signed by King John, 1215. 1431, Joan of Arc burnt at stake. Columbus discovers America, 1492. 1642, Tasmania discovered. Great Fire of London, 1966. First fleet arrives at Botany Bay, 1788. 1803, first Van Diemen's Land settlement. Van Diemen's Land becomes Tasmania with own parliament, 1856. Tree was felled in 1975. Nice big quartz outcrop here. Look at it. Goes all the way through here. Look at the view. Look at the view from here. I'll take you around. Everything's big around here, isn't it, Dale? Hey? Here we are at the Gordon Dam. That's about as close as I'm getting. Everything's really high around here and I'm scared of heights. Bloody beautiful spot though. Dale, take the camera down there and get some footage near the dam.
Oh, can't wait. I'll just run down now, shall I?
Day 4 on our little road trip. We're at a place called Miena Dam. So it must be fishing here because there's a boat out there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there's another one over there. You having fun, honey?